So we're just going to replace the stereo in this Ford KA. Same process will work on any old Ford, the Transits or the Fiestas.
You're going to need these metal tools. You could use a coat hanger, but for the sake of a few quid you might as well use the tools. So just push them in all the way and then pull out to the sides. We give it a wiggle and it should come out. Now the aerial connector just pulls off, no tab or anything. The other two electrical connectors do have tabs. You can see I'm pushing them down with my finger now. Now the tabs on these connectors are actually offset so that you can't get the wrong connector in the wrong hole, as you'll see because I'm just about to try and do that now. Yeah, see, it won't fit. Make sure it's all clipped in nicely. Click. Yeah, don't forget the aerial, otherwise you'll have no signal. And that's it. Turn it on, check it works. Oh, and you'll have to put the code in.